Pettit law, Einstein model and Debye model. बट डुलोंग एंड पैटिट लॉ ने कहा कि जो आपकी स्पेसिफिक हीट है वो हर एक टेम्परेचर पर उतनी ही है. मतलब डुलोंग एंड पैटिट लॉ ने कहा दैट स्पेसिफिक हीट इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ टेम्परेचर. इट इज नॉट एट ऑल डिपेंडेंट ऑफ टेम्परेचर. इट इज कांस्टेंट दैट इज इक्वल टू 3R. So Dulong and Pettit law fails at low temperature and it fails for the light elements, that is boron and beryllium. And then comes the Einstein, which explains the specific heat is constant at high temperature, and as temperature approaches to zero, specific heat approaches to zero. But he was not able to explain the variation with temperature accurately that matches with the experimental result, because Einstein के according exponential variation आ रही थी. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. एक्सपेरिमेंटली आपकी जो स्पेसिफिक हीट है वो वेरी करती है डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टी क्यूब, जो रिजल्ट एक्सप्लेन किया डिबई ने. अब आइंस्टाइन से गलती क्या हुई? क्या गलती हुई आइंस्टाइन से कि वो स्पेसिफिक हीट के रिजल्ट को एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिजल्ट के साथ मैच नहीं कर पाया? वो गलती थी उसकी अजम्पशन में. उसका एक ड्रॉबैक था कि उसने ओवर सिंप्लीफाइड मॉडल ले लिया. आइंस्टाइन ने सोचा कि the atoms are not coupled with each other and they are vibrating with the same frequency. He took the oversimplified models. He said that atoms are not at all coupled. They are independently vibrating with the same frequency. But this is not the case. और उसको correct किया डेबई ने आके. डेबई ने बोला the solid is behaving like a isotropic continuum. The solid is behaving like a isotropic continuum and the atoms in the crystal behaves like a harmonic oscillator. Yeah, okay, but they are not independent. They are not capable. They are incapable of vibrating independently, and atoms are coupled together. Atoms are coupled together, and the medium is also non-dispersive, and the spectrum of vibration is produced. There is no single frequency. There is no single frequency, but actually there is spectrum of frequencies produced. And there is a particular Debye frequency above which no vibration can take place. There is a particular Debye frequency above which no vibration can take place, and it is common to both transverse and longitudinal mode. तो ये सही assumption थी. और फिर Debye ने prove किया Debye proved that CV is directly proportional to T cube, and at high temperature CV is constant, that is equal to 3R, and as temperature approaches to zero, CV approaches to zero. So Debye proved the T cube law of the specific heat. So this is the total story of the three models of the specific heat.